AI will not build your software for you. We still need good developers. Welcome to Startup Hack. I'm Spencer Thomason, and here at Startup Hack, we train software developers in our licensed coding bootcamps and build custom software solutions for companies. With a decade of executive leadership as a fractional CTO and 25 years in software development, I've mastered transforming tech teams and products. Today, we'll delve into a fascinating topic that has been generating quite a buzz. With the advent of AI, there's growing misconception that these powerful tools can automate software development. Let me debunk that myth with 5 key points. Now, before we get into that, have you checked out AskMany.ai? It's an innovative tool that lets you query ChatGPT, Google Gemini, Llama, and Mistral simultaneously with one click. We also now have the features to chat with any of these right from the same window. And we're adding new models all the time, so don't miss exploring AskMany.ai. Number 1, artificial intelligence, or AI, has made significant stride in recent years, and it's easy to assume that AI will soon take over the role of software development. However, this couldn't be further from the truth. AI can assist developers in coding tasks, but it still requires a human touch to create effective and efficient software. Next, AI can help automate repetitive tasks such as code generation, testing, and debugging, but it lacks the creativity and problem-solving skills that humans possess. AI systems are limited by their programming, while developers have the ability to think outside the box and create innovative solutions. In the end, AI can only generate or regurgitate things that have been given it and been trained on in the future. Next, AI can also be unreliable in unpredictable scenarios. For example, AI may not be able to handle edge cases or unexpected inputs, which is where human developers' expertise comes in handy. AI systems require careful training and testing to ensure that they can handle a wide range of situations, while human developers have the ability to adapt quickly to changes and challenges that are in front of them. Next, AI can help reduce the workload for developers, but it will not replace the need for experienced software developers. AI is best used as a tool to enhance productivity and efficiency rather than as a replacement for human expertise. Developers must continue to refine their skills and stay up to date on the latest technologies in order to succeed in this rapidly changing field. So in conclusion, while AI has the potential to revolutionize software development, it will not replace the need for skilled developers. AI can assist in coding tasks and automate repetitive work, but it still requires a human touch to create effective and efficient software. Developers must continue to hone their skill and stay up to date on the latest technologies in order to remain competitive in this rapidly changing field. Now, what do you think? Do you agree? Do you disagree? What are your thoughts on Founders Mode? Everybody has an opinion here, so I'd love to hear yours. Send me a comment down below and make sure you like and subscribe. Here at Startup Hack, we love to train software developers in our licensed coding bootcamps, as well as to build custom software solutions for companies. So like and subscribe and check us out, and we'll talk to you next time.